Hey friends, good morning. Bo Bridgewater here. I thought I should touch base with you real quickly. I'm super excited about this opportunity that I've been sharing with you the last few weeks. I wanted to remind you again why I got started. You see, the last couple years have been really rocky for me. And to be quite honest, I've just been sick and tired of trying to find the right thing to share with people that would actually be able to help them grow and succeed. For me personally, I had to take a job, work 10 hours a day, not including a 1-hour commute each way. And for a minute, it was fun, it was different, but to be quite honest, trading time for dollars is not a solution that gives you what you truly want out of life. For me personally, that was just beyond the burden. And I'm sure many people can relate with that. And the fact was, once I made the decision to get started in this, what I saw inside was mind-blowing. I just couldn't believe, they've really connected all the dots. They've given you the steps to create success. And there's so many people who've never had any experience doing any type of online marketing or home business, or even people who failed over and over and over again, who've taken the chance and just made the decision after viewing the information. And what's happened for them is mind-blowing. And right now, you can get started with this Legacy Builder program, and it'll literally teach you how to create a six-figure income in daily chunks. As a matter of fact, I was just taking a morning walk, and then I looked at my phone, and there was a notification for $900. $900. For me, what I've been currently doing, that would take me 3 days of working a minimum of 30 hours plus my commute. Can't you see, if you need to get your life back, you need to get your time back, that this is a real opportunity to do that? I mean, let's face it. You can go out there and there's so many things that you can do. Affiliate marketing, where you make a percentage of somebody else's product. But here you actually get 100% commission. So you do the work once and you start to create the traction. You start to show people what's possible. And you don't even have to share your own story. You have to have success before. The fact is that just a week ago, I got, for a friend, a concert ticket in Las Vegas. And it was for one show on a Sunday. And I'm like, man, I don't know. But I decided to go. And guess what? When I made that decision to go, on that same day, I received a $900 payment from this, because of the automations, because of the system in place that I did not create, because of the product that I did not create, because of the webinars that I did not perform. All I did was share the information and help people to see that there's an opportunity, a better way, a better chance for them to be able to get their life back, to take control of their lives, to get their time back, to be able to spend more time with their family, to be able to go on more vacations, to be able to do more things in life they want to do. If that's you, I implore you, get started right now. Get started. Go check this out. Get all the details. See what you're missing. Just understand that it's not about me. This is about you and what do you want and desire in life and what do you want to get out of it, because this Legacy Builder program is changing lives, and I know it can change yours. They've taken all the guesswork out of everything and they've made it. It's just, it's everything that I wish I would have had 20 years ago looking at this industry. I mean, 18 years ago, looking at this industry and getting started. If I could have plugged into something like this, it would have been, a complete game changer for me and for my family and for everything. Instead, the path has been different. I've had successes, but at the same time, I've also had a lot of failures. And this is a super win for you. Just go ahead, get the information, and look at this. Right now, in a few days from now when I'm recording this, we're going to be sharing with you a recipe to make 10K in May. To make 10K in May. How would 10K be for you and your family? How would it be helpful for you if you could make $10,000 in May? We're going to show you a simple step-by-step recipe that our members get when they get started. And that's just in a few days from now. You could get started right now, get your website set up, connect to your Freedom Machine. That's the automations. And then starting May 1st, you're ready to rock and roll. You're ready to go. Okay? So go ahead and learn about this. Understand that, it doesn't matter what's happened to you in the past. It only matters what do you want to accomplish in the future. And I'm telling you that this is a solution for you right now. Go ahead and click on the link in the description or wherever, and reply in the email, however you need to get the details, and go through this and get started today. I look forward to welcoming you. I'm so excited for you. And this is going to be awesome. recipe to make 10K in May. You got this. Let's go.